For this example, we want to write a similarity statement identifying the three similar triangles in the figure. Now you'll notice it's a big right triangle with the altitude drawn from the hypotenuse to the right angle. Well, to be able to identify those similar triangles, it's going to be helpful for us to draw those triangles separately. And I'm going to go ahead and draw them so that we can see the same perspective. So I've drawn the right angle at the top each time. This first one is the big triangle, E, F, G. This second one's the blue one, E, F, H. Now when I name it, I've got to be careful. I know that E is going to be the same, and then H is the right angle. If this is a right angle, then that has to be a right angle as well, because they're a linear pair, so they're supplementary. And then this remaining angle is F. This remaining vertex is F. And then the last triangle, H is your right angle, and then F is down here, and G is over here. Now we want to name these similar triangles. Well, we can say that triangle EFG is similar to triangle EHF, and the reason for that is because it shares angle E, so that's congruent to itself by the reflexive property, and then it also shares a right angle, or has a right angle and right angles are congruent. So we can say that triangle EFG is similar to triangle EHF. And again, make sure that you're careful as you write this similarity statement. E is the same as E, F and H are both the right angles, and then G and F are the third angles. We can also say that our original triangle, EFG, is similar to this third triangle. They both have a right angle, and then they share angle G. And remember, angle is one way to show triangle similarity. So we can say triangle EFG is similar to triangle FHG. Well, if this first triangle is similar to the second one, and the first one is also similar to the third one, we could put those together in one triangle similarity statement. And that's what I'm going to do. So we can say the first one is similar to the second one, which is similar to the third one. So we have written a similarity statement identifying the three similar triangles in the figure. This will work every time. Every time you have the altitude drawn from the hypotenuse to the right angle in a right triangle, it will form three similar triangles.